Next is Ecopeace. So they love environment. They're going to showcase AI-based water purification platform technology. Hello, everyone. I am K-INNO, CEO of Ecopeace. So we are supplying AI-based water purification system, and we are very working hard to address the green algae problem in fresh water facilities, and also we are expanding our business into addressing the issues of waste as well. So every summer, due to the green algae generated in numerous fresh facilities, many problems are occurring. So this algae problem does not happen just naturally. It's because the freshwater facilities are contaminated and the microorganisms become active with the increase of temperature. So that is why a lot of green algae is produced. So because the green algae is produced, the water temperature also is increased. So these are some of the issues regarding green algae I talked about. And Asia Economic Business Forum, they also World Economic Forum even said that the most of the climate change risks in Asia boils down to water. So water quality is very important in addressing the climate change challenges. And we are seeing this kind of issue, especially prevalent in the water supply facilities and also the water at parks that is contaminated. And this can also lead to poor quality of our agricultural produce. And this is something that some studies in the US have found out. So what should we do in this situation? And what are some reasons for us to face these problems? It's because there is a lack of real-time monitoring and thus lack of response. And there was no way to prevent the spread of contamination. So if the contamination is spread, then it can actually be very difficult to address that. So these are some ways that are being explored to reduce the green algae. So if the green algae is already spread, this is the kind of approach that many of us is taking. But we wanted to address that issue and we wanted to bring a solution. So that is why we leveraged robot technology and AI technology. So we collect in real time the water-related data, water quality-related data, and we can actually do a real-time monitoring of the freshwater facilities, and we can also predict the future. And if the prediction is possible, then we can add filters that can physically remove the green algae. So why is this important? Because algae is a microorganism, and by removing microorganism in advance, we want to prevent the spread of this microorganism. So that is why we're using robotics and carbon neutrality-based technologies and AI to address this problem. So this is the robot that is currently working with K-Water. So this is not just to actually monitor the water quality 24/7. So the water supply systems and the source reservoir is actually being monitored on a real-time basis to identify the potential problems so that we can respond directly and quickly when the problem occurs. So there are CCTVs that are installed on site, and there is a system actually that enables a real-time monitoring. So you can see that the system itself is becoming extremely sophisticated. And based on that, we are doing prediction. So this is the competitiveness of our technology. So first of all, there's no human intervention. So once the system is when the system is turned on, then it automatically checks the water quality and also purifies the water. And based on the cloud data, we can actually predict the occurrence of green algae. And the robot itself can also work on a remote basis. So thanks to this technology, humans can focus on just monitoring and managing, and the robots on site can actually remove green algae and purify water. So the image you're looking at is our water system is combined with a water PV technology. So we want to achieve carbon neutrality, and at the same time, we're experiencing energy transition all around the world. But of course, there is a limited land space for PV, so that is why we're going offshore. And we have to focus on water quality when we want to scale the PV to the waters as well. So we will be selected as a water quality best practice project next year. And if we actually apply, we would like to apply our technology to the water PV systems. So these are some of the Ecopeace references in terms of robot technology. So we actually leverage the robots to address the algae issue, and we're now expanding our robot applications to remove like water waste and so forth. That is why we're preparing a water purification platform. We can also leverage the conventional developed technology to develop smart cities. And in order for the clustering of AI robots, we can actually do the water purification in very large cities as well. So we at Ecopeace will work on water in a very small tank to a very large dam. We will work hard to protect our water resources going forward. Thank you very much. So that was the water purification robot of Ecopeace, and it is in line with the fourth industrial revolution. AI and big data and latest technologies are all combined into this system. So we believe that we'll be able to protect the environment in a more intelligent way. Thank you.